Okay, in the previous lesson, I taught you how to turn a base B number into a base 10 number, which is not too hard. Now we're going to do the reverse, turn a base 10 number into a base B number. So in this case, we're going to turn 43 base 10 into what base 5? Now the key to this type of problem is to know your powers of 5. What you want to do is you want to mentally list all the powers of 5 until you find what's the biggest power of 5 that I can divide into 43 without going over. So 5 to the 0 is 1, 5 to the 1 is 5, 5 to the 2 is 25, and 5 to the third is going to be too big because it's 125. So what's the biggest power of 5 that I can divide 43 by? Well, 5 squared. So I need a 5 squared place value. I need a 5 to the first place value and a 5 to the 0. As soon as I determine the largest power, it's the key to the whole problem because that tells me how many place values I need. So what I want to do is, if I take 43 and I divide it by 5 squared, how many times can 5 squared go into 43? One time. What's my remainder? 19. No, 18. Now, how many 5 to the 1s can I take from 18? Well, 3. Which is 15, right? Subtract it, you get a remainder of 3. How many 5 to the 0s can I take from 3? Well, remember, 5 to the 0 is just 1, so think of 1 there. How many 1s can I take from 3? The answer is 3. So I get 133. So 43 base 10 is 133 base 5. So let's do another example. 100 base 10 is what base 3? Well, once again, list my powers of 3. 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the first is 3. 3 to the second is 9. 3 to the third is 27. And 3 to the 4 is my largest power of 3 that I can divide into 100, which is 81. So this time, I need my 3 to the 4ths, 3 to the thirds, 3 to the seconds, 3 to the first, and 3 to the 0s. So 3 to the 4th, and this one down here will be 3 to the 0. All right, how many 3 to the 4ths can I take from 100? Well, 3 to the 4th is 81, so I can take 181 from this. Remainder 19. These are my 3 to the seconds. I have a remainder of 19, I'm sorry. How many 27s can I take from 19? Well, none. So I still have 19. So how many 3 squareds can I take from 19? Well, 3 squared is 9, so how many 9s can I take from 19? The answer is 2. Remainder 1, right? 19 minus 18 is 1. How many 3s can I take from 1? None. I still have 1 left over. How many 1s can I take from 1? Because 3 to the 0 is 1, so how many 1s can I take from 1? The answer is 1. So this number is 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. 100 base 10 is 10,201 base 3. Like I said, the key to this type of problem is to determine the largest power of that number that can go into that number without going over. Okay? Have fun with this trick. It takes a while to get good at.